Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session of our discussion, we were discussing about February Revolution in Petrograd. After understanding about the February Revolution, in today's session, let us discuss about its effects of February Revolution. First one, restrictions on public meeting and associations were removed. No restrictions, no associations, no public meetings were allowed to organize and allowed to establish or form. Then Soviets or unions were set up everywhere. Then third one, in individual areas, factory committees were formed these committees began questioning, objecting or arguing the way industrialists ran their factories or industries. Then fourth one, soldiers committees were formed in the army. Then the provincial government saw its power declining and Bolshevik influence grow. It decided to take stern measures against spreading discontent. Stern means serious measures or rigid measures. The next one, it resisted attempts by workers to run factories and arrested leaders. Peasants and the socialist revolutionary leaders pressed for redistribution of land. Land committees were formed and peasants seized land between July and September 1917. So once again I repeat. So the important effects made by February Revolution in Petrograd. So restrictions on public meetings, they are completely removed. Soviets or unions were set up everywhere. Then in individual areas, factory committees were formed which started questioning, raising their demands for checking how the industrialists ran their factories or industries. Then soldier committees were formed in army. Then provincial government went with losing its influence or power, and Bolshevik influence started growing more comparing to provincial government, and Bolshevik influence took serious measures in spreading discontent against provincial government. Then February Revolution, it resisted various attempts by workers to run factories, and it made restrictions and arrested leaders. Then peasants and socialist revolutionary leaders were forced or pressed for redistribution of land. Because of that, land committees were formed and peasants seized the land where they were not satisfied for the redistribution of land in the month of July and September 1917. So with this, let me end today's session and let us begin the other important event which was taken place in the tomorrow's session. Until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you one and all.